No. So that is what happens when you are struggling and your businesses is not making sale. You are angry, you are mad, and you are like, what is going on? December is coming and you need to make more money this month and months to come. So how do you do that? If you did not watch my last video yesterday, I was showing you a trick that can help you sell more of your product and services, and that is irresistible offer. Go back to my last video and watch that. In this video, I am going to show you another trick that help you sell your product or your services fast. Yes, like Thanos. You understand what I mean? So let's talk about features and benefits. So if I ask you, what is the benefit of drinking this? You tell me to quench your thirst or whatever. Okay, that's that. So let's say for instance you sell phone or you sell laptop and you want to tell people about the features of your laptop. For instance, you want to tell them, oh, the storage memory of this phone is 128 gigabytes, the camera pixel is 45 pixel mph, whatever, things like that. Those are features. You are selling laptop, for instance, and you are telling people your laptop comes with 512 SSD, 2 gig RAM, blah blah blah. Hell no. How does that solve my problem? Because like I told you yesterday, the client or your prospect only cares about what is in it for them. What you are putting into my face, how does this then solve my problem? And that is all. If I know how it solves my problem, I can pay any amount for it. Yes, I'll tell you about that later in subsequent videos, how people can pay even 10 times for your product, and you can only do that if you tell them what problem it solves for them. So back to features and benefit. What I've simply told you so far is the features of maybe mobile phone or features of laptop. Now, how do you simply turn this feature into benefit to help you make more sale? Very simple. All you need to do is to ask this question, just 2 words, and you turn your features into benefit. So what's the question? So what? Yes, that is the question. So I have a phone I want to sell, and I tell you the phone has 128 gigabyte memory. So what? I ask the question, so what? So that you have more spaces to solve whatever document that is important to yourself, as your breath is important to you, on your phone, without having to look for other memory space. That is the benefit of 128 gigabyte of memory. So say for instance I'm selling hand wash, right? And I want to tell people, why do they need to buy my hand wash? On this hand wash you see something like kills 99% of germ. I can simply say, so what? So that when it kills those germs, you have a healthy lifestyle and you can live longer. So tell me, who doesn't want to live long? So these are the benefits you want to sell to your client, instead of telling them the features of your product. So anytime you want to go on your social media space or you want to run advert, henceforth, this is what you need to do. Write all the features of your product in the left column, then ask the question, so what, and start putting the answer on the right column. When you now want to put out content on your social media or run advert, don't ever say the features again. Now run through the benefits with your prospect or your client and see the result. After getting the result, come back to this video and share your testimonial with me. I hope this helped you, and do subscribe to my channel, whether on YouTube, you're watching the video on YouTube, or you're watching it on TikTok, wherever you're watching it from. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get more useful tips about sales and marketing here. Cheers and have